I'll show you how to create amazing thumbnails from just your phone in less than 5 minutes. So you're gonna go to your photos. So I have an iPhone, so I'll go to portraits, and you want to take a nice photo of you. So I'm gonna put studio lights and just take a photo. So like that. Take a photo, whatever photo you want, that's all good. Then once you have your photo, you can go check your photo. So when you have if you have an iPhone as well, if you long press on your image, you can literally like copy. So you can copy the photos. So that's what you'll be doing if you have an iPhone. I don't know if you can do the same thing on Androids, but for the iPhones, that's super cool to do. So once you do that, you will want to go to your Instagram account. So I did create one. I'm gonna discard and do it again because I want to show you from scratch. So what you want to do, you want to go to your stories. So I'm in my stories here live, and you want to create. So we're gonna go to create. You can choose the background you want. You can change the color if you want. So if you want to change the color, it's very simple. Here, if you tap on the bottom right, you have different colors right here. I'm gonna keep the black because I noticed that on YouTube the black backgrounds are very, very popular. I mean, they pop in people's eyes because the photo that you put on this background, it pops. The colors really pop. So we have our background. We choose black. Perfect. So now we want to paste our photo and paste. Here we are. So then you just want to place the photo wherever you want. I'm going to put it here on the side. And as we know, the bigger the better on YouTube. So like make it huge. Make it just take like the entire screen. Doesn't matter. So you can change. I'm pretty sure you can play with the filters if you want to. You definitely can play with the filters with your iPhone, so do that for sure. So once you have that, then you go to text here and choose a font. I'm gonna pick something very simple because like when you're on YouTube, you want something that's easy to read. I'm gonna take that one, poster. Let's do that. Let's make it like that. Okay, so you put it on the side here, however you want. Let's check another font. We'll go with poster. I will go with that one. Okay, what I'll do, I'll take that off. Okay, viral YouTube thumbnails. And we'll like 5 minutes in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Okay. Of course, write whatever you want. You know, I just want to show you that you can literally create that from your phone. So once you have that, you can see it's made out of your iPhone over here. So once you have that, you're just gonna save it right here. So top right hand corner, save right here. Then you can also take a screenshot. So you have it ready, and if you go here, you can just literally crop it right away. So it's ready to go. Done. Save to photos, and here you have it. Okay, so now if you go back to your photos, if you want, because you're on your iPhone right here, you can adjust the color, use the filters right here on the phone to just make it the way you want. So you can do that. You can adjust the lights, or you can do that on your laptop directly if you prefer. But here you can literally like do whatever you want. If you like to play with your phone, if you don't have access to your laptop and you want to create a quick thumbnail for your YouTube video, definitely like worth to play with the tools that you have available on your phone, because honestly, like, the iPhones are so good with the photo quality, and I know the Androids, the Samsungs are really good as well for photos. But yeah, definitely, like, just play with it. I'm just gonna pick one over here, and that's that. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up. That would help me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so. I'm a very small channel and I'm trying to grow, and this is why I'm doing a crazy YouTube challenge where I'm posting every day for 30 days to see how I can grow this channel. Today's video is day 6. I will try to post tomorrow, which is a Sunday, but if I can do so, I will post a new video as of Monday. But I'll try to post on Sunday because I really want to push myself. If you want to follow me along, you know what to do. Just subscribe to the channel and don't forget to see the new updates every single day. I'll see you on the next one.